This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning, guys. It's September 27th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go winterize a house. I do this one every year, so try to get you some shots over there, Evan. Oh, try to get you some shots when I get there. This one's right on the water, up on stilts type of thing. See if we get this one shut. Make sure it shuts off. That should be the one with the drain on it. Huh?
Is it hard to find?
No, I can show you where it is. It's right in here.
Oh, no, I was referring to the one there. I looked out and...
I just got it.
Yeah, okay.
I found it.
Is this off skewed or something?
It's off.
Morning.
You can hear it's draining back because that one's got a port on it. That's good. Alright, so this one's good. That should be it, huh?
Should be it.
Easy one.
Yeah, sometimes they're easy. Next time you go, they're a bitch.
This one here this key seems to work on this.
Good.
A little hard to turn this time,
Oh, yeah?
but as they get older, they're harder to turn, right?
I suppose, like everything else, but sometimes...
Alright, the hot water's off. I did that for it right here. My pump going into the top of the tank here. And alcohol's... View. Get rid of the water tank first. And after I'm done, I'll open that valve and we'll push the water right out to the drain. There's a drain valve there to stop and waste down in the ground in the pit. Toilets, I pumped them out with my pump. And I opened the valve, let air come out, pumped it out of there, pumped it out of here, and I'll put antifreeze in it. The two toilets are prepped and ready to go. Alright, she's drained. And open it and push all the water out. And then I'll go around to the hot and cold, and the air is going to push all the water out of the lines. this. What is that?
That's bluefish going after bait fish.
That's bluefish.
They get a whole bunch of bait fish that are about this long.
Wow.
Every once in a while there'll be a stream of bluefish or stripers or something coming in.
Is that blues or stripers? I mean, you don't know.
I'm not sure, but most commonly it's bluefish.
Wow. This is the low point under the house. We'll open this valve and it'll push the water all the way out to the drain shut off in the ground. There's a ball valve in here. They'll push it all the way back, all the water out of that leg. The seagulls are following them bluefish. That's what they're doing. What a beautiful day. Do this house every year, never had any issues. Better off going around a couple of times and make sure you get it all out. If not, you're gonna have a problem. You don't want no problems. Leave everything open. That's what I do. We're gonna open these two drains. Normally off. These are drains. Downstairs. This goes outside. We already did that one. Don't have to go in there and change that thing. I mean, that's under the house. I pumped all that out with my pump. Whatever in there left will evaporate. Put this back together so we'll be ready to go next year. In this town, they got a main shutoff, then they got a meter pit, and then they got a shutoff for the house, for the homeowner. This one's got a drain on it, the drain's back. So we'll just leave all this stuff open over here. We'll be done. This ball valve will leave open. Just open it for a minute and then we'll shut it back again. Make sure that there's nothing in it. I'll just open it for a second there, make sure that there's nothing in it, and then I'll shut it. So if somebody does turn them valves on, they won't flood the house. There should be nothing in it but air. Leave this open. It's dumping a little extra out. Oh, good girl. There you go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Come on, Molly. Come on inside. Good job. Good girl. You gonna do the dance? Oh, you're gonna do the dance. You're gonna do the dance? No? No dance? No dance? No dance? No? What about a tail wag? There you go. What about a tail wag? Oh, yeah, that's my friend. That's my friend. All right, get in your seat. Go ahead, get in your seat.